Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
CapCut, no internet problem. So if you're having a problem like this, your CapCut is not working, it has no internet. So if CapCut says no internet connection, even though you're connected, here are the most common causes and fixes. Check your network connection and check your network connection. This also applies in mobile and laptop and PC. Also check your internet connection. Try opening up YouTube. If you're using your mobile phone, open up your YouTube and then refresh like that. Just try opening up YouTube. As you see, I have internet. That's why it's working. And if you're using phone, go to settings and then apps, then CapCut, then storage, then tap clear cache. If still not working, tap clear data. This resets your app, but your projects in the cloud stays safe. And if you're using iPhone, you can only delete and reinstall the app. So sorry guys. And next is check if you're using VPN or ad blocker. But as you can see right now, we are not using our VPN because we don't have a VPN and we don't have an ad blocker. So um, CapCut sometimes fails to connect when VPN or ad blockers are on. Turn them off and reopen the app. And update or reinstall CapCut. So if you're using your PC, just type in here CapCut. There we go. As you can see, CapCut. Then click on CapCut right here. Then all we need to do is click on download. After clicking on download, you will just click on. After clicking on download, right there, just download the file. Then after downloading the file, just install it normally. Oh, there we go. Let's start now. So just download. Let's download it. And if you're using your PC, I mean your phone, go to your Play Store, then click on um, update. If there's an update icon right there, and change network or use hotspot. So if you're switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or connect to a hotspot from another phone, and CapCut server issue common at night. So commonly it's common on night in the Philippines. If many users are reporting no internet, it's likely temporary CapCut server problem. Wait to 10 to 30 minutes and try again. So yeah, there you go guys. Just wait to 10 to 30 minutes. Try again. If it's still not, just wait for an hour. If still not, just report it to CapCut. And there. So there you go. There you go guys. All you need to do is just wait for an hour. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.